Hi, it's Zach here, and I'm really excited to bring you today's deal on our true 1080p HD dash cam. Now, these things are absolutely awesome. They're super easy to install in your car. You just suction them to your window, and you have it facing outward, ready to record any sort of incident. Now, when it comes to accidents or insurance fraud, the best evidence you're gonna have for yourself is video footage and audio recording, and this takes both, again, in 1080p HD, so that picture quality is gonna be absolutely amazing. Now on the screen, we're gonna show you our old dash cam, which was only 720p compared to this one, which is true 1080, and you can see the difference in how well this records. Now this is great for other things too. Sometimes there's just cool things that happen all the time, and you want a camera ready to start recording when you're on the road. Now what's nice about this is it's super easy to set up. All you have to do, like I mentioned, is suction it to your front window, and there's a record button right on there. So once you have this plugged in, it's on, it's ready to go. You just hit that record button while you're driving. It'll be recording all the time. Now it does come with a rechargeable battery, and you have two different options. You have a USB charging cord, so you can charge it up before you start using it, but the battery power in here is not the best. It's not meant to be charged up and then used for a long drive. So what it comes with is this super long DC cord, which you can use to plug into your car's DC socket and have this powered up at all times. Now this records all footage directly onto a micro SD card. That doesn't come included, but this does support up to 32 gig SD cards, which is a pretty high amount. You're gonna be able to record a lot of footage on there, and you can see everything that's going on the screen. It's got an LCD 2-inch screen, which is really nice and clear, so you can see exactly where you have this aimed. Speaking of which, you can tilt this and pivot it any way you want it. Now we have a fantastic deal on this dash cam. This is great for anybody who does a lot of driving, so head on over to the site and grab yours today.